What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and we're going to be headed down to the Honda Heritage Center in Marysville, Ohio to celebrate Honda's 75th birthday.
I go car camping in the bag. Spend 47 states.
As you can imagine, there's going to be quite a few Honda enthusiasts, a handful of Fit owners, and Honda Pro Jason himself. I'm currently packing up to head down to the Smoky Mountains for the next 2 weeks, so I just threw together some of the highlights from this last weekend. We're going to look at some of the Hondas that were at the meet, take a quick peek inside the Heritage Center, and at the end of the video, we're going to show Honda Pro Jason's reaction to my car.
I don't know if you can tell, but there's a foldable mattress in the back as well. It's not my car, but it has Sparkos.
Best golden era with an EK goes to Micah. All right, best old school. This one ended up being, two of them stood out, the black Legend and the white Integra right next to it. The best new school with a white CRZ, I believe it's Holly. And best race car, Eric Catil's hybrid racing Ferio. The vehicle that stood out to us today on Vulcan Tires, it goes to a red RSX. That's us, best of show for the Midwest Honda Meet 2023. It goes to Chris. His screen name is Man Crush Monday Chris with the EK. And when we finish in just a few moments, you don't have to leave. You don't have to fire up your cars and go. Feel free to hang out until about 3. And you know, there's no rush. We can hang out together for a little bit longer. A new acquaintance or friend today. Raise your hand.
Perfect.
So from the back of the car to the back of the seats is 70 inches. I'm 75 inches tall. Just fit in there.
You just fit your fit?
Yes. The solar panel powers a secondary battery, and that runs fan and all of my cameras. Underneath my mattress again, these are my custom window inserts, so I got some privacy. The 16-gallon fuel cell, so this with the stock tank, I get about 750 miles. And then this is my water tank for when I go camping. And pump it up with the air compressor, and then it comes out the bumper. I used to have it on a roof rack, but I have a hose attachment, so it'll pump the water out.
Is this on a 12-volt pump?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it all comes off the solar.
Yes.
Then you've got a battery for the solar somewhere.
Correct.
So anything done mechanically?
No, I just hit 100,000.
So that's still a...
And in worst case scenarios, I could even use it as a toilet.
Like with the tire itself?
Yep.
What's the
My
PS4
downstairs
controller
tire,
for?
Just put it back in there. Make shit behind it.
You don't take it out?
The bag. No.
What's the PS4?
So when I go camping and it's a rainy day, I'll place an emulator to the trailer.
Nice. Oh, awesome. Is that what it's called? Loaded.
But I didn't do a full. This is like my. I didn't do a full video. This is like my dad. My people go crazy with this thing. Oh yeah. They will go nuts. Cool. Ready to selfie before I leave. Yes, let's do it.
Oh man, I hope there wasn't an accident. Or maybe the car just died. Yeah, it looks like some car trouble. Very good. We're on our way home from the Honda Heritage Center. I've been up for 24 hours and I got another 4-hour drive to get home. We just stopped at Walmart for a little rest stop and I got 2 new Honda Civics that I don't have. I saw this one at the car show. I believe I filmed it, a Honda Civic police car, and then when I was digging through the box, I saw this one. Looks like Matthew C. Davis's Honda Civic. If I find another one of these, I'm gonna have to get him to sign this instead of the red Matchbox. Get back on the road. So I stopped at Meyer to get up and walk around, check some Hot Wheels. Look what I see. I wonder if he was at the Honda meet. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm currently headed down to the Smoky Mountains for the next 2 weeks, so it might be a while till my next upload. Until then, I'll see you next time. See you next time.